everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hulu account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.hulu.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Hulu, which looks like this. Go to the sign up for Hulu link at the bottom of the page, and now choose your plan from the next page that has been displayed on the screen. Once you select the perfect plan for you, click on select, and now enter your email address that you'd like to register with. Soon after you do that, head over to the next field where it says password and type in a password that you'd like to use for your Hulu account. Right where it says name, enter your full name, select your birth date, month from the drop down, and finally select your gender. Soon after you fill in all of the information, scroll down and tap on the continue button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Hulu.com. With your Hulu account, you can get unlimited access to thousands of shows and movies with limited ads. You can stream 75 plus top live and on-demand TV channels on Hulu and endless entertainment with Disney+. That is how you can easily sign up a new account for Hulu.com. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.